What up? This is the story of my very first car. We got it when I was 12, and my dad was going to keep it for me, and I was going to buy it from him. And this thing was mint. We were the second owners. We owned it for over 10 years, and the owners before us bought it brand new and just babied the thing. And it had never been in a crash or anything. And we took it to some car shows, and it won several, and it was a lot of fun. The only reason I didn't keep it was because it was automatic, and I really wanted a 6-speed, but we decided to keep it in the family anyway, and we all got our licenses in it, and it was kind of like a backup car. I used it sometimes in college and all that, but unfortunately recently, someone in our family crashed it, and we ended up fixing it.
No way, I'll get it back together all right. Just gonna JB weld this junk.
Fresh out the paint shop. Los Santos Customs, or Hollywood Auto from Midnight Club, whatever you prefer. Pretty good. Still need to put the emblem on and the grill and the Z28 badges and that bump strip. But yeah, all these front end parts came off that V6 Camaro. Finally got it back several months later. Thing's mint. It's probably kind of dirty in here, but I think it's got over 210,000 miles now. It was unwrecked, but yeah, pretty tight. Got the badges on. And the grill. Still waiting on that middle front one, but someone wants to buy it, so don't know if we're gonna put that on. 210,000 miles, all original. Bone stock. It's never left this city.